Hello, and welcome to One Take. My name is Austin McCord, and I'm Datto's founder and CEO. Today, I want to spend a few minutes talking about something that for everybody here at Datto seems really simple and straightforward, but turns out is a big differentiator in our products compared to almost everyone else in the industry. We spend a lot of time talking about instant virtualization and inverse chain, and one of the things that we don't do a great job mentioning and reminding people is we can perform all these magic tricks of spinning up machines instantaneously, running fast failbacks, doing high-speed BMRs. All of this we can do from every single backup point that you've taken, and we can do it instantly from every single point. There's no time difference whether you want to do an instantaneous virtualization from the latest point, the first point, or any point in between. And that's truly the magic of the inverse chain technology. Some of our competitors out there can do a few tricks on just the last backup that you've taken. But for us, we have this capability for every single backup that we've taken, and we can restore it right away. This really matters in production scenarios because oftentimes, for example, when you've been hit by ransomware, it may take some time for you to realize it, and your latest backup may have already captured encrypted files, and you'll need to go back 2 or 3 backups to get a fully unencrypted set. This is where Datto's inverse chain technology shines because, as I mentioned, every single point can be virtualized instantaneously. Every single point can be part of a fast failback BMR, as well as our regular high-speed BMR process. So it's something pretty important to be considering when choosing your BCDR solution, and another piece to keep in mind. Thanks for tuning in.